We're back. It's your girl in green, Noe, together with
Catherine!
and we are the Gossip Girl. Have you noticed?
Ano yan, girl? Spill mo na yan.
Did you know the last super type of pipito cost 9 dead lives? And then 266 million agricultural damages?
Wow, it's so a lot. But you know, pansin ko dito lately, our environment is, ang dami nang pinagbago.
Yes, girl, through the fire. I mean, have you noticed? It's like the world is on fire.
Right, katulad ngayon, hindi pa naman summer season, pero sobrang init na.
And suddenly, it will rain out of nowhere, my God. Like, I don't know what's happening anymore. Ulan here, ulan there, my God.
Well, sino may kasalanan? I guess us? We're the one who is responsible for all that. Admit it or not, may mga bagay din na nagagawa ka o nagawa mo na marahil naging cause ng paninira ng environment.
You'll never know if I wouldn't tell. But I'm sure you too. Okay, let's just play this game to know who care less about our environment. It's called Never Have I Ever.
Sounds fun. Game?
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
So first, never have I ever thrown trash anywhere.
Oh my God, I did. Oh,
Me
there's this
too.
time na nagtapon ako ng basura. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung kailan. Now, it's my turn. Never have I ever nagsayang ng tubig.
I did.
Oh my God.
Siyempre, kapag naliligo ka, be, masarap maligo.
Lalo pag dab yung sabon. Okay. Okay, girl.
Oh, next, never have I ever nag-cause ng air pollution.
I think I did pag nagko-commute siguro tayo, yung mga
Yes, me
puso.
too.
Oh. Never have I ever nagsunog ng plastic.
Ay, hindi pa.
Oh, hindi. Oh, I did.
Ay.
Oo.
Sama mo naman.
It's like yung mga basura kasi sometimes ang hirap i-dispose. So yeah, we have no choice.
So, next ay, never have I ever sumira ng halaman.
I don't think I did.
I did.
Oh my God.
Siyempre, nung bata ka pa, yung kapag nagalaro kayo, di ba, uso nun yung cooking.
Ah, yeah.
Oo, di ba? Naranasan mo ba yon?
I'm not so sure.
Okay.
Never have I ever collected shells.
Now,
I did. Until now, I'm collecting
bakit?
shells.
Anong ginagawa mo dun?
I don't know. It's just, it reminds me of something.
Okay. So next, never I have ever sumakay sa mausok na sasakyan. I did. Especially ngayon, commuting ako. So, yes. Okay.
Never have I ever consumed too much clothes.
Now,
Oh, guilty. Okay, lover. Oh,
okay never ako pero hindi naman to the point
like
na
not too much.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So next, never have I ever gumamit ng e-fan buong araw. Never.
Okay. It's like lalo pag mainit, ang sarap kaya na nakatutok lang sa iyo electric fan light. Then, never have I ever gumamit ng chemicals. Like, you know, we did. Like, I think we didn't put some makeup, spray na to use.
Okay.
God, I already got it.
So, I guess, ay done na yung ating game. So, ilan na nakuha ko points? So, I got 5. Pero, grabe pa din kasi ang dami pala nating nagagawa na magkukos ng paninira sa ating environment.
Gosh, no, it's so sad. We should take care of our environment because we're also the one who ruined it.
Yes. But at least, ngayon, alam na natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin para ma-avoid yung ganung mga bagay.
I guess that's all for now.
Yes, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and spread awareness to everyone.
This is Noe,
And this is Kat.
and together,
We
we
are
are
the